morning when the sun goes up. It might be the last day of you and me.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is a gloomy, rainy weekend day, and so we're kind of cozying all up. I literally have my comfy clothes on. Comfy clothes. Words are hard lately. It's time to get my house back in order. So we're starting off in the living room. So this is our current situation. I want to get everything back rearranged to how it is supposed to go, and obviously get the laundry folded and just get everything under control. So go ahead, put me up on whatever device and clean along with me.
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love.
One thing that I did off camera the other day was went through these drawers. They were so bad. So I just put all the markers in here, and then her pencils are over there. Under here is just her little book that she is writing. And then the little laptop, which we don't really use as much anymore, but we're not quite ready to get rid of it. Moving over to Adeline's side, I can't find her pencil case. So we have all her crayons up there, the twistables, and then her markers there. And then down below are the other markers for the mess-free books. And then like, I don't know, how many is that? Like 10 glitter glues. And there was honestly probably like 40 in here that just needed to be thrown in the trash. So it feels really good to have those drawers clean. Now I need to find a spot for those, find a home, and then get the rest of this cleaned and back in order.
Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough, so don't you be afraid.
If I'm being totally honest, this was very overwhelming for me. I was struggling to find out where to start, and so I just kind of started picking things up and putting them back in their homes. And then mess after mess, I finally got this space cleaned with so many extra toys from my daughter breaking her leg. It was, again, just really overwhelming to me. Again, I've decluttered our house in January through my Messy to Minimal series, and just having all of these additional toys and stuff, again, was really overwhelming. And so simplifying our home over the last few months has been amazing for me, and I can't wait to get it back in order. But if you are feeling overwhelmed in your own home, I do recommend just trying to find everything a home, put everything back in its home, and just start. Whether it is a load of laundry to create that ripple effect for you, maybe it's making the bed, maybe it's getting those dishes out of the sink, unloading the dishwasher. I mean, we all have that chore that creates that ripple effect for us, to kind of get us going from one task to the next. And then, as you can see, one thing led to another, and I was able to keep my motivation going along with having YouTube on in the background. With all of that being said, I would love to know who some of your favorite YouTubers are. Drop their names down below in the comments, as I would love to go and check them out.
So kiss me in the night, tell me that you're mine. Don't need much to believe, doesn't have to be holy, holy. When it's ordinary love, ordinary love, ordinary love, yeah. Ordinary ordinary love, yeah. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here?
I needed to just give our couch a little conditioning, and so I was just using that leather cleaner from Enyo, and it really helps to polish the couch, and it was looking so much better. I also want to show you a sneak peek of my Monstera and her new growth. I just love how much she is thriving here in this north-facing window. It's really exciting as a plant mom to always see new growth. Let me know down below if you're the same.
Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, I so high stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I so high stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down.
I really do prefer having our furniture laid out this way, as it just really opens up the space. Our living room is very awkward, like the fireplace does not line up with the window, and so everything is off-centered, and it's just really tricky on top of having like our homeschooling table here, as well as like our coffee table. Obviously it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it is functional for our family during this season of our life. But we do actually have plans to kind of change things up in here, so make sure you are subscribed to kind of see what is going to be happening.
Baby, I so high stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last.
All right, we got the laundry done and the main living space is tidy and clean. We will pick up where we left off tomorrow. Hello, it is now a few days later. Seriously though, this is my life. So it's a few days later and I am going to tackle the kitchen, the heart of the home. I just finished unloading the dishwasher and I was like, you know what? I have so much to do. Let's just pick up the camera and finish the second day of today's video. So put me up on whatever device. I hope you are up and cleaning along with me. If not, get up girl, get your dishes done, throw a load of laundry in, whatever it is, and let's clean together.
Only I had listened for a while. I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow.
I used to have this preconceived notion that if you had a simple home or a more minimal home, or you consider yourself a minimalist or whatever, that your home just didn't get messy. And wow, is that laughable looking back on that. As someone who has created a more minimal home, we literally have very little extra stuff, especially here on our main floor. Our basement, you know, that's a little bit of a different story and still needs to be minimized, decluttered, and all the things, and I will get to that. But our main area is, again, highly decluttered and it feels so good. And I just wanted to reiterate to you that just because you have a more minimal home doesn't mean that it doesn't get messy. It doesn't mean that you never have to clean or, you know, tidy up or whatever. What it means is you spend less time doing those things. And it means that it's a lot easier to do those things. And it means that it is less overwhelming. usually to do all of those things. Again, right now with the added stuff that we have brought in, it has been a little bit more overwhelming for me, but I am just overwhelmed with life, if I'm being totally transparent with you guys. So having and creating a more simple home truly will change your life. If you are an overwhelmed mom and homemaker, I honestly just highly recommend simplifying your home. I promise you, you will not regret it. And I would love to know down below if you have simplified your home and you've decluttered and kind of minimized. Let me know by leaving me your favorite emoji down below in the comments.
Out here on the street, I'm losing my way. You've gotten to me, and that's my mistake. Some might say I can't get too far without seeing your face. Oh, you gave me your heart and took it away.
So of course I am using Enyo throughout my whole house. If you are wondering what I'm using to clean, Enyo is a non-toxic cleaning system. I freaking love all of their products. I'm actually a professional cleaner outside of the home, and I use them when I am cleaning my clients' houses as well. And so I obviously use it in my own home, I use it for my clients' home, and I highly, highly recommend their products. It is cleaning fibers and water. The theory behind it is to wet, wipe, and dry, and you just use fibers to clean your house on a pore deep level, which everything in your home has pores. There's a little fun fact for you, except for your windows. And so when you clean pore deep, you get obviously into that deeper surface layer, rather than when you are using chemicals or other surface cleaners that, again, just clean that surface layer. They're not actually getting into the cracks and the crevices. Like, I think of your face, right? When you clean your face pore deep, you actually get all the dirt and stuff and pick it out and pull it out of your skin. Enyo is the same thing, but for your home. And so again, I highly, highly recommend them. This is not sponsored. I do not sell it anymore. I used to sell it, and then I just got too busy with life, but I just honestly highly, highly recommend them. I had to share a little close-up of the floor there, as sometimes the camera doesn't always pick up like what I'm cleaning if I don't share that close-up. So I just wanted to share my dirty floors. I do have a robot vacuum that I freaking love, and I do run it almost daily. But sometimes I just like to go in with my Dyson and just really get in like the cracks and crevices and really get everything out that sometimes my robot vacuum can't always get. Plus, I'm a huge micromanager, and I just feel like it cleans my house on a deeper level when I do it myself. Thank you so much for being here and spending some time with me today. I hope that you got inspired and motivated to clean along with me, to declutter, to minimize your home. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more home inspiration, and it truly feels so good to have a clean home, and I hope that you are also reaping the benefits of a clean home yourself. Or if you still need some more motivation, make sure you head over to my channel. I have tons of videos from cleaning, homemaking, decluttering, organization, and all the things, and you can check that out now. That's all I have for you guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye. Every time I'm with you.